Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to subtract these two binary numbers using the regular multiplication, 1's complements and 2's complements. Let's copy this problem down. We have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Remember, anytime we do not have any bit, there is always invisible 0, so you can always add 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. 1 minus 1 gives me 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. I cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why I'm going to borrow 1 from here, and I'm going to have 2 over the next bit, and I have 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is going to be 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. Next, we're supposed to perform the subtraction by using 1's complements, but you're supposed to realize that you're supposed to copy down first the first number, and we're going to have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Subtraction supposed to be converted to addition, and the second number has to be changed to 1's complement. Means we're supposed to invert every single bit. We're supposed to find the complement of every single bit of this number. That's why I'm going to have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, let me remind you, we're supposed to find 1's complement of the second number. Next, we're supposed to perform addition. We have 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You're supposed to write 0 and carry of 1. And I have 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. And I have 1 plus 1 is 2. I'm supposed to write 0 and carry of 1. Remember, anytime we do 1's complements, we're supposed to take this carry down and add to our result. So if 1 plus 1 is 2, that's why I have to write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, copy down this one, and I have 0. Of course, it was addition. So compare the answers. The answers are exactly the same. Means we are doing everything correct so far. Next, we're supposed to get the same answer by using 2's complements. What we're supposed to do, we're supposed to simply copy down the first number, and I'm going to have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and I'm supposed to find the 2's complement. In order to find 2's complement, you're supposed to add 1 to 1's complement, and we're going to have, it's like plus 1. I'm going to have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, this is the number which you will get by adding 1 to this one. And simply perform addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, you're supposed to write 1 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. And I have 1 plus 1 is 2. And I have carry of 1. Anytime we do 2's complements and we have carry of 1, we're supposed to discard it. Please notice that all our answers are the same, so we can say that the problem is solved correctly. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to perform the subtraction using the regular way, which we will call normal. We're supposed to use 1's complements and 2's complements. We're supposed to get the same answers for all these different ways of solving this problem. So let me copy this problem down. I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, and these empty spots I'm going to fill up by zeros. Subtract. I cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why I'm going to borrow 1 from here, and this one becomes 2 over this bit, and I have 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 0, okay, don't forget. I cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why I'm going to borrow 1 from this bit, and I'm going to have 2 over here. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is, of course, 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. Again, I cannot subtract 1 from 0, I have to borrow 1 from this bit, and I'm going to have 2 over the next one. 2 minus 1 is equal 1, and I have, this is 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Let's do 1's complements. Keep in mind, you're supposed to copy down the first number. So I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And next, I'm supposed to change subtraction to addition. And I have to find 1's complement of the second number. Okay, so I have to find 1's complement of the second number. Means I have to invert every single bit. That's why I'm going to have 1, 1, because I have 0, 0. I have to invert them. 1, 1. Instead of 1, I'm going to write 0. I have 0, that's why I'm going to write 1. And I have 2 1's, which I'm supposed to invert. That's why I'm going to have 2 zeros. Next, we're supposed to perform the addition. We have 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That's why I write 1 and carry of 1. Anytime we do 1's complements, we're supposed to bring this carry of down and add to our result. So I have 1 plus 0 gives me 1, and copy whatever left. So I have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Please notice that our answers are the same. So far, we are doing good job. Let's take a look at the 2's complements. Again, we're supposed to copy down the top number, which is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And 1's complement, we're supposed to change to 2's complement by adding 1 to the second number. So I'm simply supposed to just add 1 to the second number, and I'm supposed to keep addition. So I'm going to have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. If you are going to add 1 to this number, you are going to end up with this. Next, we're supposed to perform the addition. So if 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 0 and carry of 1. I have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Write 1 and carry of 1. Again, anytime we do 2's complements, this carry of 1 is going to be discarded. So, again, look at the answers. All of them are the same. Means problem is solved correctly.